Hi everyone, in this episode of D.O.W, I'll show you the best dashcam clips of 2025. If you like my channel, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's start. Write me in the comments which video was your favorite.
My car.
What are you gonna do? Helmet on.
Come on.
What are you gonna do?
You got a bunch of witnesses everywhere, bro. Witnesses. Just think about that. On your... Oh, boy, like no man. Boy, you're on dash cam. You're on dash cam.
Oh, I'm on dash cam?
Yeah. Dash cam. Bro. Dash cam.
Cleared from the two-eye lane, so not as much room being taken up, just a visual hazard now. You're still back at the Valley View as you try to recover. Mid-City on the 10 westbound of Washington.
My God.
Who hit us?
It's a, we're in an accident.
I know,
Okay,
I'm okay.
calm down.
Did he? Whoa. What the?
Hold on a second, hold on. Stop. Why'd you flip me off?
I didn't flip you off. She did. It doesn't matter who flipped.
Okay, you were coming to a stop. You were slowing down. You didn't have your turn signal on to go around.
Works.
I'm sorry?
Do you know the whole
the motorcycles to cars 2 car lengths? You don't want somebody behind you in a car to have 2 car lengths? You gave us.
I was nowhere anywhere close to you.
Whoa.
No. You were coming to a stop. I have the right to come to a stop behind you. I gave you plenty of room and I passed you legally.
Dude, I wanted you to have enough space.
I had enough space.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Regardless of what you think, don't flip somebody off while they pass you. If I wasn't a nice guy, you wouldn't have a mirror on your car anymore.
And if I wasn't a nice guy, somebody would be scraping you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ground.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't realize.
Don't
I didn't realize.
play.
I didn't realize. I'm sorry. Google your license plate. You'll be on YouTube tonight.
Okay. Oh,
Oh, I'm such a piece of shit. I'm such a piece of shit. Look at me. I'm a piece of shit. You're as stupid as you are ugly.
There's a stop sign. You're going on YouTube. Mom, go!
Yeah, jeez, yeah. El Zarape.
What's El Zarape?
That's the studio I went to. Let's go! Pay attention!
Oh my gosh, people.
What's going on here? You gonna go or what's going on, buddy? Get moving!
Hello?
Oh, no. Get angry. Hey, let's go, buddy! Well, you gotta hold on to the cars here. There's plenty of parking in front of you. Jeez, there's parking right here.
The girl's laughing.
so many spots.
I know.
Look at your dash cam. You can see what car she was trying to look at.
What car was it?
There was no car backing up.
There's plenty. I don't know if they thought this was the only person.
Yeah, exactly. People, I'm telling you.
Sorry, I was here first. No. Bow up yours.
They have a point. What's the point?